always tired and exhausted because you don't sleep. But man, I sleep 8, 9, even sometimes 10 hours per day. But the matter is, not only you are not sleeping at the right time, but also it's not only about sleeping. It's much more deeper than this. Well, this is me, and this is my ancestors. Oh, I mean, not this one. Ancestors. Oh yeah, like 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years ago, when my grandparents wake up in super ultra triple X luxury cave. You know I'm just kidding. Then coming out of their cave and they're going to the forest to hunt some animals to feed themselves and their family. And then after hours and after hunting, they used to like come back home, eat that animal, and then going to sleep. This process was happening over and over again every single day. They had to do so many like simple things, repetitious tasks, and they didn't have to make too much decisions. When they wanted to go to sleep, well, they have nothing to think about it, and then immediately they easily could go to sleep and like switch off. So during the day, they didn't have to make too much decisions. But let's come back to right now. Picture me in 2024. Actually, tomorrow is 2025, so Happy New Year! I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but Happy New Year. Anyway, so this is me in 2025. I'm waking up, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is this. Going to my YouTube studio to check out how many views that I got last night. And this is my channel. And then I'm going to scroll it. Damn! Again, no views. It's not fair, man. And then after that, I'm opening up YouTube itself, watch some videos, and then after that, I open up Instagram to check out what happened last night, watching some of my friends' story, and you're opening your Instagram and then checking out, last night my friend had a party and he didn't invite me? Damn, it's not nice. So then you start thinking about, okay, should I be upset of him or not? Should I don't know, take revenge? And you start making decisions. Next one, you're watching other person's story and, oh, he's in, I don't know, Bali and having fun, and you're saying, okay, should I go to Bali? How can I go to Bali? You're trying to scroll on your phone and suddenly you're coming to the video and your brain start doing this. Should I watch this video or not? So it's a decision. So you're burning one of your decisions. Let's sweep it away. Next one. This one is good, this one is bad, this one is good. Your brain start making decisions. And next one. So in the morning, only by using your phone, you already have made many decisions, many unnecessary decisions. You haven't got up even. And then after that, you're getting up and going to the kitchen. So should I drink tea or coffee? Should I eat egg or no? Jam is better. Honey is also good. What about bacon? Bacon? Do you eat bacon for breakfast? Your brain starts making too much decisions again for only simple things like eating breakfast. And then after that, you're going to your closet to choose the proper cloth for your work. Thinking about, what about this color? What about that one? What about jean? Should I wear my jean or with white shoes, or should I wear suit? Of course, in some specific occasions, you should choose what you should wear. You cannot go to, I don't know, very formal events with, I don't know, t-shirt, or you cannot go to work appointment with jean short and like Hawaii shirt. But for normal day, you don't have to make too much decisions. And then after that, you're picking up your car and start driving. Driving is one of the activities that you need to make too much decisions. Like, should I stop? Should I go now? It's red light, it's green light. Let's brake. Now I should go. Where can I park my car? And stuff like this. You're going to your work, talking to your boss, your client, your coworkers, and this process happening until night. Until the night you have made too much decisions. Your brain and your body hasn't made for these amount of decisions. Actually, it's not ready still because our lifestyle just changed in like 10 years ago, like since 10 years ago or 5 years ago, after COVID, after pandemic, after social media appeared. Your body reacting like your ancestors' body. Their DNA are still in you, and it will take too much time to your body match to new situation. So now imagine you've come back home and you're tired. And so you should go to take a hot shower and eat your dinner and go to sleep. But the thing that you're gonna do is this. You should watch your favorite series on Netflix, eating your high fat dinner, watching a bit football, and again start scrolling on Instagram and YouTube, drinking high caffeine coffee. And as you know, blue light in the phones deceiving the mind, deceiving the brain, and brain think it's the sunlight and still it's not time to sleep. And you deceive your brain. You cannot go to sleep easily. You start scrolling. When you take a look at the clock, suddenly you see, okay, it's 2 a.m. I need to go to sleep, but it hasn't finished yet. When you set your alarm, put your phone away, you start thinking, damn, did my boss insult me? I should have punched to his face. Or why that guy honked me on the crossroad? It was red light. How could I pass? Or why my girlfriend didn't reply to my phone? And why my boyfriend doesn't love me anymore? These kind of questions coming to your minds. Actually, I'm not saying everybody are the same, but it's happened to the most of the people. There are some other people that they can sleep easily like a baby. One of my friends also is like this. And to be honest, I'm jealous. I'm really jealous of him. Put their head on the pillow and switch off. Write your comment below if you are easy sleeper or hard sleeper and make me more jealous. Damn it. This is not fair. So then you're gradually going to sleep, but it's 2:30 or 3 a.m. and your body start doing chemical reactions, chemical process to recover your body because now you have slept. Before the light bulb invention, people used to sleep 10 hours per day, but after that it turned to 8 hours, and these days it's like, I think, 5-6 hours. Imagine your body needs to sleep 8 hours and you slept at 3 a.m. and your body is recovering you, and suddenly, okay, alarm, I should get up, I should go to work again. This process is not finished yet. It's not gonna fully recover your body. So you're gonna be tired for tomorrow. And this process will happen over and over and over and over again. You will pile up your tiredness, your fatigue, and then you will get tired. Damn, why I'm depressed, why I'm tired. Also, some people sleep maybe not 5 hours, maybe 10 hours, but the point is, this recovery process starts from something like 10-11 p.m. up to 6-7 a.m. This period of time is the most vital time to recover your body. And after that, it's a bit, unfortunately, hard to do that because I have tried it by myself. Like when I slept at 11, I could wake up at 6 a.m. and I was fresh. But imagine when I sleep at 4 a.m. and even if I sleep for 10 hours up to, I don't know, 2 p.m., you definitely have the same experience. But if you sleep up to 2 p.m. even, from 4 to 2, it's 10 hours, but you are still exhausted. You are still sleepy. So then you should sleep at the right time. For all this that I explained to you, what is the solution? Easy. First, reduce your decisions. Reduce your unnecessary decisions. Like, for example, you can plan your breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the first day of the week. I know it's hard, but it's the way, it's the method. You can just, like Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs, just wear normal shirt without diversifying your shirt. But if you are a fashion fan, if you are a fashionable person, okay, you don't have to do this, because I know for these kind of people, it's one of their hobbies, it's one of their interests. So I'm not gonna say forget about your interests. So then you can reduce your decisions in other fields, not about wearing your clothes. As I said, try to drive less and less and less. Believe me, driving is horrible. Driving is horrible. Even me, myself. I do have a car right now, but mostly I'm trying to use public transportation or using Uber. You're making less and less decisions, so you're not gonna be tired. Try to take a nap 15 minutes after lunch. It's very helpful, at least for me. And you can try it after lunchtime, everybody getting a bit sleepy, and you can try 15 or 10 minutes nap. Try to drink less coffee after 4 or 5 p.m. Coffee, actually high caffeine coffee, is horrible for your sleeping. Drink less coffee after 4 or 5 p.m. Do not try to keep yourself awake by coffee. And during the night, I'm not gonna say delete your social media, do not use Instagram, do not use YouTube, do not use TikTok, because it's a kind of addiction. It's a kind of, now it's part of our life. You cannot say, okay, I'm not gonna use Instagram anymore. It's like socializing. It's like saying that I'm not gonna talk to my friends anymore. If you can do it, it would be awesome. But if you can't, you don't have to be worried about it. No, I cannot. If I put Instagram away, I'm addicted to Instagram, I cannot do. Okay, you don't have to do it, but try to use it less and less. Maybe in specific time of the day, or maybe set an alarm, or even use the Instagram and YouTube app itself. It has a part, it sends you alarm that you have used this social media too much. You can stop scrolling. I will find the setting and I will create a video about it later. And last but not least, try to eat healthy, specifically for dinner. And of course, I know it's very hard to do that, and you don't have to do all of them right at the moment together. You can just start with one of them and do it for a week, and then add the other one. Like sleep 15 minutes earlier for a week, and then next week sleep also 15 minutes earlier. I don't know, eat more healthy or drink less coffee. Only one of them. Use compound effect, and maybe after 5, 6, 7 weeks, you can see the results that, oh my God, you could have changed many things. That's awesome. And last but not least, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, wait. It wasn't in the script, but yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. But real last but not least is this. Do not try to put away your modern life, because it's not possible to do that. And I'm not gonna say that you should put it away, go to jungle or go back to your ancestors' cave and live next to a waterfall and relax. You know, it's not possible. Even if you are rich, you cannot live alone in the jungle, in the forest, in the mountain for a long period of time. You need to do socialize with people. So you should make balance in your life. It's hard, but it's possible. You can enjoy your life and not be tired. Alright. If you are looking for more self-improvement videos and you want to know what fuels your self-improvement and personal development, I have created a video here about what fuels your self-improvement and personal development. And we had a bit bonfire, like fireworks in it. Not fireworks, but I really suggest also watch that video. It's useful and informative. And if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write your ideas in the comment below. Then I can improve my content for you. Tell me my mistakes. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.